With CRC TransX transmission stop leak and tune-up, you can quickly fix an automatic transmission that leaks or slips. It's guaranteed. An automatic transmission fluid leak may show up as pink, red, or clear fluid dripping from your transmission housing, and it will have an oily feel. An automatic transmission that slips may exhibit banging, hard shifting, or drivetrain slipping. Before you start, get your tools together and read the entire product label. Locate your transmission dipstick and check the fluid level to be sure the fluid level is low enough to add TransX Stop Leak without overfilling. Insert your funnel in the transmission filler neck and pour in the entire bottle of TransX Stop Leak. Be sure not to exceed the capacity of your system, and remember, TransX Stop Leak should not be used in CVT or manual transmissions. Close up the filler neck, and that's it. You're good to go. Just make sure you monitor the leak. If your vehicle has over 75,000 miles, choose TransX High Mileage. So stop leaks and start driving with CRC TransX Transmission Stop Leak and Tune-Up.